afternoon. My name is Jennifer Timms. I am an independent sales representative with AVON. Today I'm going to talk about moisture therapy, intensive healing and repair, the bonus bottle. Now the bonus bottle is 33.8 fluid ounces. It's normally 16.9 fluid ounces. So this is the bonus bottle. It's made for extra dry skin. It's got a Hydro Boost technology. And it's a body lotion. And my husband and I use it all the time. It makes the skin so soft. It feels good. Here's what it looks. Here's the consistency. You rub it in. A little goes far. If you put too much on, it makes your skin a little oily, but that's resolved by rubbing it on the rest of your body. Now, it's a perfect lotion for anyone who has extra dry skin. My husband has psoriasis on his leg, really bad. It's actually turned into what's called deep vein thrombosis. And every night, he puts it on. It takes care of the dry itchiness of the skin. And he loves it. And I can't describe the scent. It's like a soft scent, like almost, actually it's like unscented. It's beautiful, and it's AVON's moisture therapy. It is dermatologist approved and dermatologist tested. Again, AVON moisture therapy, intensive healing and repair with Hydro Boost technology. Now the bonus bottles, they run for $20 normally, but right now it's on sale for $12.99 each in the Campaign 19 brochure. And some of the other ones that they've got in the bonus size are Daily Skin Defense and Calming Relief. Now the Daily Skin is good for sensitive skin. It doesn't cause any problems. And it helps restore moisture to everyday dry skin. The Calming Run is instantly soothes and relieves dry, itchy skin. And the Intensive Healing is a 72-hour moisture for extra dry skin, fragrance free. Now I want to say thank you for watching my video. If you like it, like the video and comment on it and tell me how I did. Thank you. Have a wonderful afternoon. Bye.